In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointment schedules using Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing coaching calls or planning client meetings, Google Calendar offers an efficient and accessible way to manage your time effortlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account to gain access. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to the platform. Google Calendar provides a clear interface with a holistic view of your daily and weekly schedule. Now, let's create an appointment schedule. Look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a plus create button. Click it. From the options that appear, select Appointment Schedule. This feature is particularly useful for creating dedicated time slots for meetings or sessions. Here, you'll need to input some details. Start with a straightforward title that reflects the nature of your appointments, like coaching calls or client meetings. This helps provide clarity both for you and the people booking time with you. Next, specify the dates and the time range during which these appointments should be available. For the appointment duration, choose what works best for your needs. A common choice is 30 minutes per meeting. With your appointments now defined, let's move on to the settings. The availability section allows you to specify which days and times you're open for appointments, preventing any overlap with other commitments. If you plan to hold these appointments regularly, consider enabling a recurring schedule, which allows you to repeat the availability weekly. Adding buffer time between appointments can be a lifesaver, giving you some breathing room and preventing back-to-back meetings from stacking up. Additionally, manage the maximum number of bookings you allow per day to avoid overwhelming your schedule. Once you've fine-tuned all the details, it's time to share your booking link. Google Calendar generates a bespoke booking page for you. This link is ideal for sharing. You can copy it and send it through email, include it in chat messages, or even add it to your website, making it easier than ever for clients and colleagues to book time with you effortlessly. Finally, let's talk about managing your bookings. Your Google Calendar will automatically update when someone books a slot, so you're always in the know and can plan your day accordingly. Plus, you'll receive an email confirmation for every new booking, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And that wraps up our guide on how to utilize Google Calendar for setting up appointment schedules. By following these steps, you'll streamline your scheduling process, making your professional life a bit more manageable. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.